To Auto World, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lincoln MKZ, which is making a comeback with some exciting changes, except it's now called the Lincoln Zephyr. Let's explore what this luxury sedan has to offer. The 2025 Lincoln Zephyr is built on the CD6 platform, switching from front-wheel drive to a standard rear-wheel drive setup. This change not only enhances the driving dynamics but also aligns with Lincoln's push toward a more performance-oriented luxury experience. The sedan retains its sleek, sophisticated styling, with a focus on premium materials and an elegant design philosophy. Under the hood, the 2025 Zephyr offers three powertrain options. The base model gets a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 245 horsepower and 275 pounds-feet of torque. If you're looking for better fuel efficiency, the hybrid version pairs a 2.0-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor, producing 188 horsepower. For those who crave more power, the 3.0-liter V6 engine and the Reserve 2 trim generates a solid 350 horsepower, or 400 horsepower with the optional all-wheel drive. This range of options ensures there's something for every driving preference. Inside the cabin, Lincoln continues its tradition of luxury and comfort. The new Zephyr features upgraded upholstery, wood trims, ambient lighting, and a premium infotainment system. The base model already comes well equipped with adaptive xenon headlights, an 11-speaker sound system, and power-adjustable seats. Moving up to Reserve I adds leather upholstery and a power-adjustable steering wheel, while the top-tier Reserve 2 offers massaging front seats, LED headlights, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced safety features. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Lincoln Zephyr starts at under $40,000, making it a competitive option in the luxury sedan market. The fully loaded Reserve 2 trim is expected to cost around $50,000. The car is said to hit showrooms in early 2025, offering a blend of performance, luxury, and technology that makes it a compelling choice for buyers looking for a refined driving experience. That's a wrap on our review of the 2025 Lincoln Zephyr. Stay tuned to Auto World for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars. What do you think about Lincoln's decision to rename the MKZ? Let us know in the comments.